Hi everyone. Still waiting to take a decision on what you should do about CAT 26? Well, let me give you some good news. iQuanta is announcing its next batch starting in the first week of April. Now, all the students who are looking at a robust program, a program which has everything. It has live class, it has application class, it has a lot of practice material in forms of assignments, all of these with video solutions, and also covering each area in detail. Then I'm sure you need to look no further than iQuanta's new batch. You will also have 24/7 doubt solving. I was very surprised to look at the kind of doubt solving which our doubt solvers are doing. Such an excellent job with that. With that, we also have a lot of mentorship sessions going on. You can get in touch with your mentors to ask your queries, ask your doubts, how should your preparation be, and so on. Well, I'm sure some of you are still confused. Should I join an offline class? Should I join an online class? Should I self-prepare? Well, whatever your decision is, I'm saying that iQuanta is going to be able to help you in every way. So look no further, start preparing with an iQuanta live batch. And also, I'm happy to share that the kind of reviews we've got in our first batch. The reviews of the first batch have been excellent. Students were so happy with the program which we have given them, the shortcuts in numbers and arithmetic, and in every area, DILR, the way it was discussed in class, all these things have really helped our students. In RC, we have Shabana ma'am who's been talking about different ways of cracking RCs. So all these things have really given us great reviews in the first batch, and I'm sure you can take advantage of the same in batch 2. The batch starts in the first week of April, and according to me, this is like the right time for you to start preparing for CAT 26. When I look at CAT 26, we are say in the roughly on the 1st of April today. From here onwards, you have around 7.5 months to prepare for CAT. How are you going to prepare? These 7.5 months become very crucial. The planning for that also will be given to you. Also, what happens is this is the right time because some of you all might have just finished your graduation, or you're in that zone whether should I leave my job and take a full-fledged attempt for CAT this year. Whatever your decision is, please come and talk to our counselors, understand what you want to do, and I'm sure they'll help you really well to do this. If you have any other queries, you can always call our counselors and you can ask any queries about fees or whatever other options you want to talk about. Also remember that this year we will also be having a very good test series. I'm sure most of you all know me. I'm Amit Panchmatia, and I've been speaking about the test series which iQuanta will have this year. That we will have one of the best test series which any coaching in India will provide for CAT this year, and that will be one of the biggest things because test series becomes a very important criteria when it comes to cracking the CAT. So all the plan which you require and the test series, your live classes, your practice classes, all of that will be covered. So I'm sure you should join this batch, and if you're waiting, please call us, and thank you.